Good morning, everybody. It's May 22nd, 2019, 6:32 in the morning. This is your morning earthquake report with the earthquakes that happened overnight while we slept. There was a 4.4 Guatemala that came in at 55.3 miles in depth. There was a 4.8 downgraded to a 4.6 Los Lagos, Chile, and that came in at 39.2 miles in depth. A 2.1 Southern California, 7 miles north-northeast of Octaville Walls, and that came in at 7 miles in depth. A 3.2 Northern California, that came in 4 miles northwest of Geyser at 1 mile in depth. There was a 3.6 near the coast of Ecuador at 19.2 miles in depth. A 3.7 southern Iran at 5.5 miles in depth. A 4.2 CSAVUC, Indonesia, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. A 2.6 Baja California, Mexico border region, 20 miles northeast of Encendio, Mexico, at 14.2 miles in depth. A 2.4 Baja California, Mexico, 11 miles southwest of Puebla, Puebla, Mexico. Sorry, guys, I'm having problems with these names today. That came in at 7.4 miles in depth. A 3.1 Canary Islands, Spain region, that came in at 13.0 miles in depth. A 4.5 Southern Sumatra, that came in at 59.0 miles in depth. A 2.0 Southern California, 39 miles north of Joshua Tree, and that came in at 1.2 miles in depth. A 4.2 south of Java at 6.2 miles in depth. A 2.5 Southern California, 18 miles northeast of Pine Valley, 0 miles in depth. A 4.3 Indonesia at 51.5 miles in depth. A 3.4 Central California, 29 miles northwest of Searles Valley, 0 miles in depth. A 2.1 California, Northern California, at 6 miles west of Cobb at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.2 Northern California, 5 miles west of Cobb at 1.2 miles in depth. A 3.8 Eastern Turkey at 1.2 miles in depth. A 2.1 Western Australia, 6 miles east of Chedlow, and that came in at 1.8 miles in depth. A 2.8 Western Australia, 74 miles northeast of Wigan Hills at 1.2 miles in depth. A 2.9 Western Australia, 73 miles northeast of Wigan Hills, and that came in at 6.2 miles in depth. All right, that is your morning earthquake report. I'm sorry if I messed up some of those names. I really apologize for that. You guys have yourself a wonderful day. Please stay safe. God bless each and every one of you. 2 thumbs up for you. Thank you so much for watching.